lonely mornings, 'cause you won't pick up or can't apologize. I regret things said in the moment, but everything we do just clouds my eyes. So I'm gonna make a bad decision tonight, and it's finna get you off of my mind. When you pull my trigger, I pull it good, see you on the other side. I'm gonna make a bad decision tonight, and it's finna get you off of my mind. When you pull that trigger, I pull it good, see you on the other side.
What's up? It's Bill Seeds with Seeds of Nature Water Gardens, and I am in Grants Pass, Oregon, about to start on a 10 by 14 ecosystem pond project. It's gonna be awesome because I got native rock to work with. So rock that's native to this property, it's covered with lichen and moss. I love using this stuff. It's gonna be so awesome. Let me show you the project. So we got beautiful views of the mountains. The driveway comes up here, and this is gonna be the project. So you can kind of see where my white is. I just did that so that utilities can come through and mark. So we got electrical right there, and then I also have sewage, but that's okay. We're just going to use all this rock. We're going to move it. I'm going to pile up all this rock and get some of this stuff taken care of, because I'm going to come in with a machine and pretty much just slash all this down, create it, make it level, so that way I have a template that I can work with. I have a new fresh area. Gonna rip this out. This is all patio stuff, so I'm going to take some of this stuff out and see what we can use. See if the homeowner wants to have a little patio up against the pond. So we'll see what we got to work with. But yeah, this is the project. It's going to be awesome. I am so excited. Let's get to work. All right, so I got the land cleared, and the reason I do this is because, you know, water's flat, right? Water finds level no matter where it's at. So obviously building from a flat base is going to give us the best, you know, shape. It's going to make sure that we don't have any leaky edges or whatnot. I mean, obviously I got to measure them all with my laser transit, but it just gives us the best bit. So I laid out the pond shape, and I like how it's going to be. I can see also where the waterfall is going to be. I envision it kind of facing the road a little bit, but maybe cutting in. So now I only said like a 5-foot falls for this, but I'll probably make it a little bit bigger. I got a 10 by 12 liner, so, you know, I always like to hook it up. So I'll probably make the falls a little bit bigger. I'm going to use the excavation to build up the berm, kind of fill out this excavation that I built. And now I got to break out my biofalls and whatnot so I can start digging.
I've seen hell in an empty bottle. I've seen nights that never seem to end. I've seen hunger, strife, and struggle. Folks pass by without a hand to lend. People call me crazy, some people call me stone. Others say I'm strung out, destined just to be alone. Time and time again I've tried to put it on the shelf.
All right, so, you know, I got liner in, I got sand, all that stuff. I got underlayment. I did about 2 or 3 layers of underlayment in certain places because it's really rocky. So I just wanted to, you know, double up on the protection. And I got the bottom level of rocks in there. So sorry, I'm cold, so it might snow. But so the goal is then to get the top section of the pond rocked in. I probably won't get it all rocked in today, because I also have to kind of get my level right. I did a rough level. Of course, I got my skimmer in there, so I know my water level height, so that's going to help. And I want to be 3 inches above water level with my grade. So let's get to work.
I've got a soft spot for the hard stuff, or I can't seem to put it down. And I put my whole life into a glass pipe, and I burn it up so I can watch me burn it down to the ground.
All right, so I got to the waterfall portion, and I have 2 choices here. I can typically I like to dig shelves out and then build off of the shelves, But in this situation, with the amount of rock that's in the soil, I think what I'm going to do is dig out all of the dirt inside of the biofalls, leave a completely open space, put some sand down, get all my underlayment and liner attached, and then I'll build out my shelves with gravel and the rock. So it'll all be kind of false bottoms. I'll just build bib liners. I'm probably gonna have to go get more foam, but at least this way I can control the whole bottom section and I don't have to worry about the shelves having rocks and whatnot in them. So I think that's just going to be the smartest thing to do.
I say no man first. Things getting better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers asking for a search. They found no weapon, just no real drawbacks. Cause I'm so solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set their traps, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now. They can't keep a good man down, or they keep a joy when they won't take a frown. Rastafari is him govern the town, and they could never ever take I down. Ooh, Jah bless, I say no man first. Things getting better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers, they're asking for a search. They found no weapon, just no real droppers. Cause when they come with the evil start, I just listen whenever they talk. Shines the light in my dark, he can't around my path. They fight me without the cost, trying to make my life so hard. The king of kings and the lord of lords. If it all run, solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now.
All right, that's a wrap. Really enjoyed this project. It was really challenging. It took me a little bit more time than I anticipated because of all the rock and whatnot, but using all the native stone with the lichens and the moss just really took it over the top. I really appreciate you watching. Please like this video. Let me know what you liked about it, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, peace.